Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday, Wheel Swap Sunday. These are the cars that are coming up in the next couple of weeks, probably like next month or something. I'm going to try to do one or two per Sunday wheel swaps. We're going to start off with the Maverick in the middle, which is the oddball, one of my favorites. So we'll do this one first, and then you guys can pick what's going to be next. But I'll do a random thing unless I get some comments that you guys want to see a specific one done. We have chrome Real Riders, we have black 6 spokes, we have black 5 spokes, we have bronze 5 spokes. Just leave in your comments what you guys would like to see, and so we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do these upcoming. We got the truck Silverado, we got the Mercedes-Benz 2-door AMG, then obviously the Civic Ultra Hot, and the Skyline. So we'll soup those up, make them look nice, and then we'll see how the video turns out. I don't want to bore you with all the stuff going on, but you can either pause it, fast forward it, and then see the end results. Alright, let me move on to this one. Let me get this one done. I'm actually going to try to save the package so it doesn't get damaged, so I'm going to take it apart. Alright, give you a couple of clips as we go along with how it's done. I'm sure there's plenty of people out there that do specific cars, but this is one of my favorites, so we're going to get this one first. Alright. guys, welcome back. This is the unicorn car. Can't be found. Box M. Still haven't found any more. The massive wheel swap. Massive. Looks beautiful. Awesome. I think I'm going to detail this one out. I'm going to do the lights. Tail lights. Bumper. Yep. This is definitely the ride. Definitely the ride. Put it on a turntable so you guys can see it out. And she's a roller. Look at that, huh? Awesome. So what do you think, guys? Home run? This is the unicorn car. Only a handful out there. Only the chosen few got them. I had to buy it from eBay. Was it worth the $20? Hell yeah. All day long. Yes, I think I'm going to do a full-blown detail on this in the interior. The lights. But I'll just give you a close-up on it. Awesome. Alright. Look forward to next Sunday. Another wheel swap. I have a funny feeling it's going to be the Skyline. And that's going to be next. Thanks again. Like, share, comment. See you on the next one.